Hello guys, and I received this product from a company called Hey Bud for my honest review. So I'm getting ready to open it now, and we're going to get my first impressions and honest review. I have received a cleanser, a mask, a serum, and a moisturizer. So we're going to get into it. This is the Hey Bud Hemp Cleanser. Yes, this product does have hemp seed in it. And for the cleanser is a refreshing, gentle, foaming formula that has green tea hemp salicylic acid. It is vegan-free and cruelty-free. The hemp seed oil is to provide clear pores while regulating oil balance. So this is the gel cleanser. The next item that I received is the Clay Moisturizer. The Clay Moisturizer has detoxifying properties. It uses green tea, gold leaf, and avocado oil to rejuvenate the skin, leave it plump, supple. You apply a generous amount to your skin for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it. You can do this up to 3 times a week for oily skin, 1 time a week for dry skin. Here are the ingredients on the back of the container, and there was a brush included with this that I will show y'all at the end because I did not pull it out when I was showing you the mask. The next item that I received is that's the cleanser. Hopefully I didn't show y'all the cleanser. Well, I'm going to tell you about the moisturizer and the serum. The moisturizer is a lightweight moisturizer, powerful, and provides intense hydration and clearing properties for the reduction of pimples, acne-prone skin. You apply a generous amount to the face both day and night. So I'm not sure if the first thing I showed y'all was the moisturizer or the cleanser. I apologize, but I'm trying to show you each one as I have them so you know about them. And I do believe the last thing is going to be the serum. Okay, this is the serum. The serum brightens and enhances and protects your skin against hyperpigmentation. It gives you the perfect companion for radiant looking skin. You apply 1 to 2 pumps and massage it evenly over the face and neck. You can use this daily. The order to use the products in will be coming up. I'm going to get ready to show y'all the brush and how I use the products. Okay, so I apologize before that I did not show you guys the brush, but this is the brush that you put the mask on with. I'm going to show you guys that. I love that they give you a brush and you don't have to dig your fingers or your nails or anything into it. The order to use this product is the gel cleanser morning and night, the clay mask 2 to 3 times a week in the nighttime, the serum 1 to 2 pumps daily in the morning and night, and the moisturizer 2 to 3 pumps daily morning and night. So I've always wondered that if that's helpful to you guys. It is serum and then moisturizer and then your makeup if you need to do that. There are combination packs. You can make your own combination pack when you go to the website. You can just do a cleanser. You can do a cleanser and mask. You can do a serum and a moisturizer. You can do a cleanser and a moisturizer. You can build your own combo or package at the website. All right, smells good, no weird smell. I'm going to go ahead and use the cleanser. They also have eye creams, overnight moisturizer, and a hyaluronic acid serum by itself. You can purchase this thing separately or once again build your bundle. They have an oil control duo. They have a dry skin duo. Each one contains mask, moisturizer, serums, and a brush. You can also purchase the brush by itself. So if you just want to purchase these cute little brushes to put on your mask or put on your serum or anything like that, you may do that. Everything is going to be down below on the website. This is an Australia-based skincare company. Once again, disclaimer, this does have hemp seed in it. Make sure you check and see what you can use on your body before applying anything to your body. I'm going to let that dry down, and then I'm going to do the serum, and then I'm going to do the moisturizer. So this is a serum, which they asked to go next, and I'm reading it, and I need to do 2 to 3 pumps to put it on my face, and then the moisturizer. So let's get into it. And here I was trying to figure out which goes first, but I did figure it out as I went to the website and actually read my instructions, which helped. So it is the serum first. We're going to go ahead and apply that. 2 to 3 pumps. Rub it all in. We're going to rub it all in. Okay, I'm going to get the serum in here, and I do smell a slight smell from the serum. That's to be expected. It has ingredients in it for hyperpigmentation in the skin, and the hemp is in it. But I didn't smell anything on any of the other stuff. And once again, it's not an aggravating or irritating smell. It was just noticeable to me. And then I'm going to go in with the moisturizer and moisturize my face. Okay, you guys, it is nighttime. I'm getting ready to take my shower and I want to put the mask on. I have the brush here. I am going to put the mask on and brush it on. I was trying to hold a phone in my hand, the mask in my hand, and the brush in my hand all at one time. And then the shower is foaming up the camera. I do apologize. I turned the shower on before I started the video, and I probably should have waited to turn the shower on. But here I am applying the mask with the brush. Like I said before, I love applying this mask with the brush and not getting it all over my hands. So I'm just applying that here, and then I'm going to take a shower, and I will come back and let you guys know in about a week and a half, how I feel about all of the products and ingredients. And that clip is at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I wanted to come and do my final review for the Hey Bud skincare. This was the Hemp Gel Cleanser. I have been using this for about 2 weeks now. This gently cleanses, reduces excess oils and bacteria. So the routine to break up bad skin and breakouts, according to them, is a 4-step routine solution. It's the cleanser, the mask, the serum, and the moisturizer. Okay? I don't have anything bad to say about the product. I have been using it. I like it. I did have one, it's gone, little breakout down here, and I did start to have one little breakout on the side. I do not in no way, shape, or form blame the company for that. I am going from one cleanser to the next because I was using something else before, and I feel like my skin was just like, what is this? It's new. I treated the bump. It went away right away. I think it was just me switching skincare. I am going to finish using up this skincare before I go to another skincare because I know that a lot of times my skin does not like me switching up too much. Okay. I am trying to find the perfect skincare products and routine, but I love to bring you guys different companies because what works for me may not work for you, or what doesn't work for me may work for you. So that's the cleanser. I definitely like the cleanser. I don't have anything bad to say about it, even though it has hemp in it. It's not no weird smell or nothing like that, and I did not have any major reactions to it. Okay, all right. So we're gonna move on to the clay mask. It draws out impurities, clears, and brightens. I'm going to continue to use this. I've used the mask twice. You know, mask I use like once a week. I have used it twice. Absolutely no problems. I want to continue to use this because it says it brightens skin. I am still trying to get, I don't know, just this discoloration from, and it's on my cheeks. Ah, y'all. I don't know. Okay. But this is great. I'm going to continue to use it as a mask even after I'm done with this product. The next thing was the serum. So here is the serum. I use this day and night. The serum repairs skin barrier and improves skin texture. I have been using this day and night. And I think I told y'all to order that this go in before They want you to do the serum and then moisturize. So this is the serum. And I'm using like the whole routine all together, day and night. And then I let that dry down some. I can feel when it gets dry on my face. Now the serum, I do feel like has a little bit of a smell. It could be the hemp. It's not a bad smell. There's nothing wrong with the smell. It's just fragrance rise for a split second. For a split second while I'm rubbing it in, I can smell the hemp that's in it. And lastly but not least is the gel moisturizer. So this is the gel moisturizer, and it hydrates and calms inflammation. I don't have really inflamed acne prone skin. I just have the discoloration that I would love to really, really get rid of. And I don't know what's really going to bring that for that. Now the moisturizer, I have been having the hardest time getting it out. I usually have to open it. I don't know what's wrong with my pump. And I put it on my hand. This is what the moisturizer looks like. Just a moisturizer. I put it on my hand and put it on my face. And I rub it all in. And in the mornings, I do let this dry down before I do my primer and my makeup. And of course, at night is just that. And I don't get a smell from the moisturizer like I get from the serum. I don't get a smell from the moisturizer like I get from the serum. So overall, I am enjoying the products. I am going to continue to use the products and see how they do. If anybody wants an update later on when I finish, probably take me like to the end of the month, because I'm washing and cleaning my face twice a day. I'm gelling twice a day. I'm seruming twice a day. So if you want an update on this when I finish, let me know and I will come back and let you know an update on it. But so far so good. If you want to try this company and this product, I have a link and everything down below for you. And I'm going to continue to use it and see what results I can get out of it. I just wish I could get this discoloration to go away. And it got really bad as I got older. So, I don't know. Just like this mole got bigger. The older I got, if y'all go back to some of my really, really old videos, you cannot see that mole. And then I have my little red freckle. It is red up there. But thank you, Hey Bud. I'm going to continue to use this product. You guys go and check them out. Any questions or comments, put them down below. Links, details, everything is in the beauty bar down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.